What's up YouTube? Today in this video I'm going to show you the trade recap of my 20 risk to reward ratio trade on BTC. Now I sent this prediction to my Telegram channel yesterday, right? And then today we had the playout. So I'm going to just walk you through the whole process and the simple strategy I used to get this trade under 2 minutes. Now I will advise you to watch this video carefully to the end so that you're going to understand the concept behind this, and then share this with a friend who wants to learn how to trade the financial market, especially if you have issues with things like BTC and gold. Now, and after that, also like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you're gonna get more trades recaps like this. So yeah, that's it. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so right now you can see the trade. BTC is still on the fly, and let's see how much this fly would have been. Yo, but yeah, that wasn't my prediction. This was what I predicted. Okay, good. So now you might be wondering how I was able to predict this trade. Nothing serious here. Let's just get it straight. So let me just give you guys a pattern. It's a breaker block pattern. This is the pattern I use. You can have price going like this, something like this. The one that we did today was something like this, but even though price broke above it, pulled back as liquidity, took out the liquidity, and yes. So this was our breaker block, right? If you trade price action, you might call it a resistance zone, and then call this a support. Then this is my liquidity. Exactly. So this was what price did. Now let me delete that. So the setup was actually from the 5-minute time frame. Now nobody knows what trade is going to play out and what trade is not going to play out, but this was just it. The exact point for this entry was here. So you can see that. And exactly. So the nearest liquidity I was looking out for was this high. And that's it. So if you want to learn entries, how to take sweet entries like this, you can click the link in the description to join my mentorship. Then if you want to see how I take trades once in a while for free and also take them at your own risk, you can join my Telegram channel. The link for that is going to be in my bio. See you guys on my next video.